If the amount you paid by way of advance tax and the TDS which has been deducted by different people for you is not enough, then you have to pay some taxes by yourself also. That is called as SA tax, which is self-assessment tax. These self-assessment tax at the time of filing your income tax return. So, for example, my tax liability is 50,000 and the advance tax and TDS which is in my credit arrives only up to rupees 25,000, then I have to pay remaining 25,000 as self-assessment tax. In contrary to which, suppose if my tax liability is 50,000 and the taxes which has been deducted for me, that is my TDS and advance tax, arrives to 70,000, then this extra 20,000 will be the income tax refund which I will be claiming, and the SA tax in this case will be 0.